Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about something really confusing for non-native English speakers, including me. Phrasal verbs. As you already know, phrasal verbs are everywhere in English conversations, so that's why it's so important to know how to use them correctly. In this video, we are going to go over some common phrasal verbs in a conversation between friends. So yep, you are going to see a real conversation, a real English dialogue. You need to observe the words that are marked red. Listen to the dialogue carefully, and no worries if you don't get something the first time. I'll explain everything after the dialogue. Hey, have you heard from Sarah lately? Yeah, she reached out to me on social media last week. Oh really? I thought you two have fallen out. Yes, but we made up. That's great to hear. How did you guys patch things up? We just talked it out and cleared the air. It was good to get everything off our chests. Yeah, that's definitely the best way to handle things. So, are you back to being friends now? Yeah, we are cool now. We even hung out last weekend and went to a party. That's awesome. I'm glad that you were able to work things out. Thanks. Me too. It feels so good to have things back to normal between us. Let me explain. Phrasal verb number 1. To reach out. To reach out means to contact someone through a message or a phone call. Like one of the girls said in the dialogue. She reached out to me on social media last week. Yeah, she reached out to me on social media last week. So reach out to someone. When some brand reaches out to me, I usually say, thank you for reaching out to me.
Because people remember their struggle and they'll reach out and help you too.
Phrasal verb number 2. To fall out. To fall out means to have a disagreement or argument in a relationship that causes a lot of problems. Most probably you know what I'm talking about. I absolutely hate the feeling when I fall out with my best friend.
That he fell out with Epstein.
Phrasal verb number 3 is more positive. To make up. To make up means to become friends again after an argument. I love the feeling when I make up with my friend after an argument. And what about these two friends from the dialogue? Did they make up finally?
Martha accepts to make up with her.
Phrasal verb number 4. To patch up. To patch up means to deal with a problem in order to improve the relationship. For example, how did you guys patch things up? How did you guys patch things up? So basically she asked, what did they do to make up, to improve and repair the relationship?
Ultimately, Jerry and Beth managed to patch up their marriage by the end of the season.
Number 5. To talk it out. So when we talk something out, it means that we have a conversation, and the goal of this conversation is to improve our relationship through communication. So I'm saying my feelings, what I feel. I was sad, I was angry, or whatever. You need to share your feelings, and then we talk it out. We have a conversation.
He would just say, it's not working for me, let's talk it out.
Next phrasal verb, to get off, in this context, the chest. To get off the chest. So to get off the chest means to share with someone what was worrying you and what was making you feel guilty. So I got it off the chest and I shared it finally. I said it finally.
Did you ever want to get something off your chest but just didn't have the courage to say it?
Phrasal verb number 7, to hang out. Hang out is a synonym to meet. So to spend time with someone in a casual and relaxed way. I love to hang out with my friends. And what about you? How do you hang out with your friends? What do you usually do?
The more fun you are having with your life, the more people are going to want to hang out with you.
Our final phrasal verb is to work out. In this context, in our dialogue, it means to find a solution for uncomfortable situation. I'm glad that you were able to work things out. So basically, she is glad that they found a solution.
Researchers also agree on what makes for unhealthy relationships. Things like fighting so much that you just can't work things out.
That's it when it comes to phrasal verbs, but I have a bonus idiom for you. Clear the air. Pause this video and type in the comments what you think, what it means. Type the meaning in the comments. So let me give you an answer. To clear the air means to discuss the problem in order to improve or even repair our relationship. One of the girls said, we just talked it out and cleared the air. They had a conversation, they were talking, sharing their feelings, and then the air was cleared. So they cleared the air. So guys, as you already noticed, understanding phrasal verbs is absolutely essential if you want to speak English fluently. I know it can be very challenging, so it is for me, but the more you practice, the better you'll become. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this content useful, consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a like to support my work. And if you need a language buddy, sign up for my one-to-one classes. There, I share exclusive tips with you that I don't share anywhere on my social media. What's more, I use modern teaching methods and classes are always strictly adapted just to your needs. So why wait? Let me help you rock your English. Write me an email or just sign up for my course. Would you like to take your English to the next level by having one-to-one meetings with me? I've created something especially for you. My 8 weeks program is going to change your life. You are going to sound natural, learn English in funny, creative way, using examples taken from real life. What's more, you are going to forget about memorizing boring grammar rules. So, if you wish to start exploring the world with the practical knowledge of English, the link is in the description down below. Lots of love and hope to see you soon. It was a pleasure. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.